Okay, guys, we are back at the Domino's, and we are in the beautiful city of Havertown, PA. This is the second time for this channel at this location. And yes, tonight we're going to be eating pan pizza. Um, we got a couple different toppings from the last time. The last time we had the cheese pizza only. So if you haven't went and checked that out, please go check that video out. And if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe because we will be doing more food reviews. We do electronic reviews, and we'll be putting out a whole lot more other reviews as well. It'll be a mix of everything. So, guys, I believe it's going to be in the oven for like 7 to 8 more minutes. Once I receive the pizza, I will see you guys back in the car shortly. Okay, guys, take care. Okay, guys, we are back with the Domino's handmade pan pizza. As you can see, it has the legendary black box that it comes in. And like I said from the last video, whenever you see this black box and you see everybody with the regular boxes, you know that you got the exclusive stuff. The black box is like, man, like I told you guys in the last video, I never knew why some people were walking out with black boxes and I would just have the standard regular Domino's box. I'm like, what's in that box? You know what I mean? I'm like, did they get a prize or something? Did this something like some secret menu that I don't know about? I want the black box, you know? So when I figured out it was the handmade pizza, man, the pan pizza, I've been taking black boxes out ever since, you know what I mean? So yeah, big ups to the handmade pan pizza, yo. That's the best crust ever. I actually like the handmade pan pizza better than like stuffed crust and all. Like stuff, I guess it's according to like what location. And when I say that, like mainly like if you're going to like Pizza Hut or you're going to Papa John's, or then, you know, because I think theirs is a little different. But I do like stuffed crust too, though, you know, like with the garlic and, you know, the butter. And come on, man, you already know, you know. But yeah, today, guys, we are going to be reviewing the handmade pan pizza, and I can tell you guys what I got on this. So, well, I'll just wait until you see the pizza, and then I'll go from there, okay? So without further ado, let's present the grand prize winner we got. Yes, sir. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that pepperoni, look at that sausage, look at that cheese. Yes, sir. So, hold on, this box, I want to keep coming down. Okay, so, I can tell you guys what we got on this. We got extra cheese, we got extra Italian sausage, and we got extra pepperoni. And of course, we got the handmade pan pizza. The total for this, guys, was $15.99. So $16.95 after tax. But the grand total before that was $15.99. So after taxes, you're paying about $17 for this. The reason why, like, I'm gonna tell you guys, like, so Domino's, they have a $7.99 deal. And normally with that $7.99 deal, I believe it comes with 2 toppings, if I'm not mistaken. So when you get like extra cheese, sometimes, I don't know, like certain locations is funny, but certain locations, you know, like if you get an extra cheese, they'll count that as like a topping, you know? And then some locations, it's weird, I know, right? Some locations, if you get extra cheese, they don't count it as a topping. I don't know. I mean, me personally, I don't know. I'm not in the food game, you know what I'm saying? So I really don't know. But I mean, me personally, I mean, to charge somebody like $2 for extra cheese, I don't know. It's just kind of unheard of to me. But I mean, that's what they do. But yeah, so every location is different. I can't tell you what your location would do, but yeah, try it out. The price, it's kind of not the cheapest. I mean, me personally, I wouldn't normally pay that, you know. But actually, my mom wanted me to order this because her and her niece, I believe they're having a little night, probably like a little movie night. So I don't know. I believe they're going to be playing cards and stuff. So they just wanted me to bring this up to them. Now, before I bring this up to them, I'm definitely getting a slice. So yeah, I'm going to be the one that's get the first slice. So yeah. So yeah, guys. Yeah, that price, me personally, to go from $7.99 to $17, that's like $9 in toppings. That's kind of extreme if I should say, you know. I've never seen, you know, that's kind of high, you know. Because if I would have just got the pizza with cheese and, cheese and pepperoni, it probably would have been like $8.40, $8.70 or something after taxes. That's it. But oh well. Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, some of these toppings, like, that's why, you know, if you guys, like, you know, I don't know, you know, how cheap you guys are, if you're cheap like me, but me personally, I would get a lot of these toppings from the market already and just keep them stored at home. That way, because a lot of these locations, they make so much money off of these toppings, you know, and this is just standard pepperoni, standard Italian sauce, you know what I mean? So now, as far as the extra cheese and stuff, yeah, I understand that, you know what I mean? But the toppings, come on, man, you could put that right on yourself, but, you know, it is what it is. So without further ado, let's go for the cheese pull. Now, he did just get this out the oven. Yeah, I'm going for the biggest piece, too, y'all. I don't care. I don't care what they say. We're going to go for the cheese pull. Damn, this thing hot, y'all. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, though. I might not be able to get the piece that I want. Yeah, I guess we're gonna have to go for this piece right here, man. Oh well. See, we got a little cheese pull. Do we got a little? It was weak. It was weak. But y'all see? See it right there. There we go. It's looking good. It's looking cheesed up, you know? Love that crust, man. Love that crust. Look at that crust. All right. Oh, I thought I dropped that side. You know I want that piece right there. So let's go in for it, y'all. Let's go in for it. Oh my God. Man, that's so good. That is so good. That is so good. Definitely think I'm gonna dip this in ranch. Before we rate this, though, I want to, you know, like, some of these places it's just like stuff that kind of irritates me. When I'm buying a whole pizza from you guys and you still try to charge me like 79 cents for some dipping sauce, why not just, I mean, Papa John's, they do give you a garlic sauce with it automatically when you get the pizza in a little pepper, you know. Forgot what pepper it is, but they give you a little pepper with it and a garlic sauce automatically. But like I said, you know, like, certain locations is different. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. Sometimes if you order your pizza already, And, you know, after you order it, you ask for a sauce. Sometimes they might just throw it in. It's according to where you go, you know. But you're going to charge me 80 cents for a sauce that should already come with the pizza? But I don't know. Now, the location that I go to is very nice, very small, quiet location. But, y'all gotta stop. Y'all gotta start having stuff in stock. I've asked this location multiple times for the grated cheese, like there was it, not the garlic parm cheese, whatever. The Parmesan cheese that comes in the packets. It's been months and they still don't have it. That's one thing I don't like, because I love putting Parmesan cheese on it. You know what I'm saying? So it's like they kind of like, I don't know, man. I'm not feeling that though. I might go in there and ask them, do they have like an Italian seasoning or something? Some type of seasoning, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna ask them. Because like sometimes like they go in there, it's like they don't try to give you nothing. You know what I mean? They don't give you nothing. Like, I mean, and they don't really charge for them, you know, so give me a little seasoning, you know? But back to this review, y'all. I mean, this pizza is outstanding. I'm taking a bite. It's really outstanding. It's really good. So, on a scale, I think we should go back 1 to 5, y'all. Because I feel like 1 to 10 for food ratings is kind of a little bit too high. You know? So, I feel better doing the scale 1 to 5. We did change it from 1 to 5 to 1 to 10. But I feel like with food, I feel like we should, you know, it's just like 5-star ratings, like either, you know. So we should go from 1 to 5. Let's just try it out, you know. In the comments, if you guys want to go back 1 to 10, that's fine. But let's just do 1 to 5 tonight, okay? 1 to 5. It's good, y'all. It's really good. It's just some sauce, something. 1 to 5. I'm gonna give it a 4 plus. I'm gonna give it a 4 plus. It's really good. Like when I tell you, the crust, all that gets 8. Like before I start getting handmade pan pizza, I would never really eat the end. You ever see, like, you open up a box and you see all the ends in the box? I eat all this. This whole thing be empty, you know? So yeah, guys, I give this a 4 plus. This was the Domino's Pizza review. Please like and subscribe. I need y'all so we can keep busting these videos out, man, you know? So I'm gonna give y'all, y'all wanna taste? Come on, I'm gonna give y'all a bigger piece. Yeah, hold on, I'm gonna give y'all a big piece. There we go. Here y'all go, this is for y'all. It's for y'all, there you go. Go ahead. Don't say I never feel y'all. See? And y'all took a small bite, man. But this is it, y'all. So please like and subscribe and keep watching these videos, and I will try to bust out some more later this week. This was the Domino's review, and I will see you guys in the next video. Always love and just be kind and just live life, guys. Just live it. Do it one day at a time. If you ever feeling sad and you just feel like you're down, I'm telling you, just watch some of these videos. Just watch something on YouTube. Just let it cheer you up, okay? Take care, guys. I'll see you in the next video.